Welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 12 of Retail Marketing and the chapter is Atmospherics. Topics to be covered are Introduction, Importance of Atmospherics Planning, Key Components of Retail Atmospherics, Visual Merchandising in India, Store Space Management, Retail Performance Measures, Atmospherics in context with Internet Retailing. Introduction says atmospherics refers to the physical characteristics associated with a store that includes interior and exterior elements as well as layout, planning and display. Atmospherics play a major role in attracting customers to the store, improving the quality of service experience, creating a brand positioning for the outlet and improving customer retention rates. So atmospherics basically refers to the physical characteristics associated with the store, the lighting, the visual display and the way the products are displayed in the store as well as it also includes the physical and the outward display. Importance of atmospherics planning. The role of atmospherics in retail strategy is mainly to enhance the image of the retail outlet and attract new customers, creates a definite unique selling proposition, USP, facilitates easy store movement and access to merchandise, ensures optimum utilization of retail space, reduces product search time for the customer. So basically these are the objectives which should be kept in mind when the retail strategy is designed with respect to atmospherics. The immediate effects of retail unit environment stimuli have been identified, which are pleasure, displeasure, which entails whether shoppers have perceived the environment as enjoyable or not enjoyable. For example, playing classical music in Hindi should enhance shoppers' enjoyment in specific kind of service settings in North India, whereas same music might diminish shopping experience in Punjab retail units. Arousal assesses the extent to which environment stimulates the shoppers in particular environment. Playing slow instrumental music may result in subdued activity level from customers in service settings such as restaurant relative to no music or fast music. So playing slow instrumental music may also result in subdued and activity level from the customers when they are in service settings such as a restaurant, when there is no music played or a fast music played. Therefore, nature of music in specific retail environment can decrease or increase in arousal to which the product has to be taken. Dominance concerns whether customer feels dominant, in control or submissive, feels under control in the service environment. Whether the customer feels in control or under control in the service environment, dominance concerns that also takes place when how the customer feels in control or submissive. Individuals associate the color red with active, assertive and rebellious moods, whereas they associate blue with sedate tranquility and a suppression of feelings. The nature of mood that needs to be portrayed therefore lies in the right choice of color as well. Key components of retail atmospherics. External atmospherics. Exterior atmospherics refers to all aspects of physical environment found outside the store, which includes store entrances, main board, marquee, windows and lighting, etc. So that is all the outward display of the products in the store, and that refers to external atmospherics. Retail store entrance. In India, most of the traditional retail stores enjoy open entrance with no provision for entrance doors and security guards, while in some leading markets, retailer or owners of the stores even stand outside and invite passing by shoppers to visit their store and communicate the availability of specific merchandise. So that is also one of the strategy for attracting customers with retail store entrance. In India, most of the traditional retail stores enjoy open entrance with no provision for entrance doors and security guards, and wherein in some markets they have their own owners standing out. Display windows. Display windows are very common features among retailers dealing in garments and gift items. This feature is even very prevalent among small town retailers. Marquee or signboard. A marquee includes painted or neon light, printed or script, and store name alone or mixed with trademark and other important information. Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Barista, and Bombay Selection owns widely acknowledged marquee. So marquee includes painted or neon light, printed or script board, and store name alone or mixed with the trademark as well. Parking facilities. Parking facilities play an important role in the success of a retail firm. The importance of parking facilities is of great significance in urban shopping center where number of car owners is increasing day by day and want to drive to shopping centers. So basically parking facilities have to be spacious where it is actually assuming of great significance in urban shopping center where number of car owners are increasing day by day and they want to drive to shopping centers. Internal atmospherics. Two key aspects of internal atmospherics are retail store image is one of the most powerful components of retail positioning strategy and one of the most powerful tools in attracting, influencing and satisfying consumers. So retail store image, that is also one of the most powerful component of retail positioning strategy. For example, McDonald's uses bright lights in their stores as it keeps customers in high spirits and ensures a high activity level. So, McDonald's uses bright colors to ensure that, and this is positioned according to the spirit of the customers as well. And retail store image, that is the most important component of retail positioning strategy. And also, it helps in attracting, influencing, and satisfying customers. Music is one of the key environmental variables that can impact shoppers. Environmental factors like music affect the time spent in the store, propensity to shop, and satisfaction with the shopping experience. Visual merchandising. Visual merchandising is defined as presentation of products in order to sell them. Good displays shout to the world that the retailer cares about his image and merchandise and most importantly about entertaining, informing and educating his customers. Frequent changes encourage the customer visiting his normal section to also wander about and discover additional novelties. So frequent changes also encourage the customer to visit again his normal section to also wander about and discover additional novelties and what are the new things which are added. Visual merchandising in India. Unlike the Western countries where visual merchandise receives highest priority in commercial planning of a product, the Indian retail industry's understanding and practice of the concept of visual merchandise is inadequate. With the advent of foreign players and chain stores, independent retailers have to compete purely on the competitive edge of the merchandise, and visual merchandise will be a helpful tool in projecting uniqueness of the products. Store space management. Space and inventory are the two most important resources of the retail firms. The space and the inventory, the things which are kept and the space to keep those things. The best possible allocation of the store space to departments, product categories, storage space and customer space is a major challenge for the owners, retailers and managers of the store. Retailers acknowledge the importance of space management for the success of business. It has two benefits. It not only attracts business by ensuring convenience, but also places the merchandise in accordance with sales work. And so also retailers also acknowledge the importance of the space, how to manage the space for the success of business, and it not only when you've organized the space properly, not only it attracts customers, but it also places the work accordingly to the sales department. Retail performance measures. Sales and profitability are considered established measures of retail unit success. Similarly, they can be used to measure the performance of retail space management. The measures of retail space performance indicate the productivity of retail space. So the measures of retail space performance that also indicate the productivity and how much the retail space is utilized. Atmospherics in the context of internet retailing. The development of the web as a retailing medium needs us to understand the implications of web atmospherics. The development of web is also being used as a retailing medium. In the context of e-tailing factors like website organization, server performance, product data, a search option, and shopping carts all contribute to positive web shopping experience. The easy a navigability in the website for a shopper who wishes to buy through the net is one of the first facilitating factors. So, in the context of e-tailing factors, the website organization, server performance, shopping carts also contribute to a positive web shopping experience, and the easy navigability in the website for a shopper who wishes to buy through the net is also one of the facilitating and rewarding factors. So that was all about atmospherics, the internal as well as the external atmosphere and ambience, which is created to attract the customer and to retain the customers as well. So these are some of the questions. You have to do it yourself. Question number 1, define atmospherics and its importance in retail marketing mix. And what are the key components of atmospherics, and discuss each of them. That's all. Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.